To my content creators from Glennceria Loving Hands, I have a challenge for you. Can you make 35 videos in 10 days? Who's up for the challenge? I have 39 videos uploaded in my Quam on YouTube Studio. Glennceria Loving Hands is a force to be reckoned with. Buckle up, guys, because I'm coming out. Love you. Ready for the challenge? Let's go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching my video. Welcome. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we go any further, I would like to say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. Well, today is a special video, guys. This 60-year-old content creator on YouTube is going to show you how I made my first 35 videos in 10 days. That's right. Glennceria Loving Hands has made 35 videos in 10 days. Let's get into this video. How is everyone doing? I am so happy to bring you this video. I am so excited. Well, let me give you a back end of the story. June 27, I turned 60 years old. And as that first week rolled in for July, I have been contemplating on coming onto YouTube for years. And I decided at 60 years old that wherever the cost is going to lay, the cost is going to lay. This is a new beginning for me. I know somebody might say 60 years old and a new beginning. Yes, to me, it's a new beginning. So I said, regardless of what my appearance was, what I looked like, I decided to pick one of my hardest artisan soaps to make. It was called Poppy Chulo Messy Makeover. And I made my soap. I made my first video. I just jumped right in, guys, and did it. You know, sometimes you got to forget what people may think of you, what you look like. If you want something, go for it. And I am truly a go-getter. And I wanted to come on to YouTube and to a family I have 4 grandchildren, and I would love to leave a legacy, which I am. And it starts here with you guys, and I need your help. I cannot do this by myself. I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I videotape Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I videotape 4 videos per day. And I'm going to show you. And just taking care of you, your mind, your body, your soul, your skin. Look at me. Look at me. At 60. Okay? So, like I said, I can't do it without you. So let me show you a few things, okay? Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Let me talk about that. In order to be monetized, in order for me to have ads on my channel, I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Can I do it? Absolutely. Can I do it without you? Absolutely not. I need you. There's no way Glennceria Loving Hands can do this on her own. I created this channel so I can give back to you. So I need your help to help me reach my first milestone, which be that 1,000 subscribers. Can we do it? Absolutely. I am a true go-getter. And when I reach for something, most likely I get it. So my first video uploaded was July 7, 2020. And like I said, it was Poppy Chulo Messy Makeover. So I have my computer here. This is crazy. but I'm going to do my best to show you this, okay? So bear with me. Okay. Maybe right here. So that's Papi Chulo, July 7th. Slowly. Do you see the date? July 7th. July 7th. I'll try to do my best, okay, guys? Because I'm holding it. Sorry for July 27th. July 27th. And there's my picture. I'll have to show you where it says right here. I have 39 videos. Can you see that? I schedule my time to do my videos, which is first thing in the morning. I edit my videos, and then I upload my videos. So on July 7th, I uploaded my first video, but that day, I probably made about 4 videos that same day on July 7th, but I didn't put them all out at one time. So what I do is I schedule them for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But when I first started, I didn't do that. So I have been uploading 4 videos a day. Now, another thing that I noticed, I went into, and thumbnails make a difference. Once I put the thumbnails out, I noticed that I'm getting more views. So guess what, guys? I'm learning as I go. I'm learning as I go. I'm trying to do my best. I'm trying to bring you good content, things that I hope that you like to see. My recipes, my knowledge, my skills, what I've been doing. I'm hoping that you enjoy it. Leave a comment down below if you would like to see behind the scenes of, how do I work this all out by myself. Guys, I don't even know how to type on a computer. I peck. Yes, does it take me a long time? Yes, but would you know that if I didn't tell you? Absolutely not. Are my videos top quality like the content creators here that's getting millions and millions of subscribers? Probably not right now, but it will be. Each day I'm learning something new and I'm self-teaching myself. And I truly appreciate my subscribers. I really appreciate you coming over, taking the time out of your day. Because I know you don't have to be here. I know you have a zillion things to do. And I really appreciate you. I'll be right back. Listen to my Glennceria Loving Hands family. I love you so much. And I truly appreciate you coming over and supporting Glennceria Loving Hands. I really do. I'm here to show you what I can do and to share my knowledge and my skills with you. I want to leave a legacy for my grandchildren. I want to be imprinted in time for my great-grands, my great-great-great-grands, my great-great-great-great-great-grands. My ancestors to be proud of me. I'm a content creator on YouTube. I am here to bring you knowledge that some way can help you be a better you. Feel better, detox your skin, mind, body, and soul. All works together. What's the biggest organ on our body? Our skin. Our skin is the biggest organ on our body. What you put on it goes right in it. So let's start putting some natural clays, some organic oils, some moisturizing into our skin. Once you try my products and things, you know exactly why I'm so passionate about Glennceria Loving Hands, handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. This is not a game. You know, when I first started making my soaps in 2014, you know what my slogan was? I want to reach one person at a time. I'm an educator. It was a speech therapist. To this day, she only uses my soaps. She doesn't let any other soap touch her body. And I thought that was great. And I said, wow, if I could get everybody to do that, I want to reach one person at a time. Not anymore. Guess what? Right now, at 60 years old, I am going for millions of people at one time. Not one person, millions. But I can't do it without you. I need you to subscribe to my channel. Help me to get to my first goal, which is 1,000 subscribers. Are we going to get there? Absolutely. It's not going to be a year. It's not going to be 6 months. It's just around the corner. You know why? Because I know that you're here to support me, and I appreciate you. Let me know down the bottom, down in the comments, if you will see the back end of how I do this one-man show at 60 years old. You'll probably get a kick out of it. You know, I love you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. I thought that you might want to know the grind of what I'm doing, where you get one video, but I'm actually doing 4 videos. Today is July 31st, 2020. I have 39 videos uploaded, scheduled, premiered, ready to go. 39. You might as well buckle up and come on for the ride, family, because we are going to do some exciting things here on this channel. I guarantee you. Guarantee you. I love you. Take care of yourself. Comment down below and subscribe. The 95 people that's coming on percentage, that's coming, subscribe to my family. Come on and be a part of us. We need you. I need you. I need you to help me reach my goal. The first goal, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. That's just the beginning, baby. Come on, buckle up. Let's get this right with Glennceria loving hands. And remember, I cannot do this without you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Glennceria Hands loves you so much. And thank you for understanding my compassion today. But I just wanted to stop from the everyday norm and give you some real of what I'm doing. I'm doing my part. I upload 4 videos, between 4 to 3 videos, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, consistently since July 7th of 2020. If that's not dedication, I don't know what is. I'm coming. YouTube, guess who? Remember my name, Glennceria Loving Hands. Glennceria Loving Hands is coming, guys. And she's coming full speed. Have a great day. And remember, hit that notification bell up there. Subscribe to my channel. Comment. Go check out my Etsy shop. I love you to pieces. Keep on hanging in there with me. Only way up is up. Don't sweat the small stuff. Don't worry about people, places, or things. It's your reaction is their only problem. That's it. Truly appreciate you all. Bye-bye for now. Listen, that's the first one. I got 3 more videos to make today. Bye, my loves.